I literally just realized that I deleted by accident the intro video. So I'm gonna do this. You know, this is in the future after everything that just happened. So today I rode with my stepdad to Addie's barbecue in Edison, New Jersey. All right. And you'll find out what just happened to us. All right. Cue the intro. You're not gonna want to miss this one. So now we is my microphone plugged in? Yeah, it's plugged in. So we are going to enjoy barbecue today. We're gonna hang out. It's been a while since him and I rode together, but this Challenger is Lloyd's tuned with the Bassani 2-in-1. Oh, what do we got here? What have we got here? We got a young girl, probably got into a car accident, something. None of my business. Ain't my monkey, ain't my circus. But maybe after we eat, maybe he'll let me ride it. I hope. And then I'll let him take this beautiful BMW S1000 RR. It's a 90-degree day. It's a very, very hot day. And I'm completely uncomfortable. I'm geared up, you know, because, you know, I got all the gear all the time. You always got to wear your gear. And then my stepdad just bought that new full face helmet. It was a Shoei RF 1400 with the patriotic stuff on it. Because not only do I love this country and I'm a patriot, but I think the helmet is really cool looking. I have the X15 with the red and black design, not a Marquez or anything. Although I wanted the Marquez one with the cat on it, like the Japanese one. But then I thought to myself, you know what? I'm riding a German bike and having a Japanese helmet doesn't make sense. But yeah. I'm catching every red light, every opportunity. But damn, you really gotta appreciate how beautiful the Challenger is, especially the Elite. And I think this is number 9, if I'm correct. But oh my god, what a gorgeous bike. Liquid cooled V-twin. It's got like 1760, 1780 cc. And then yeah, he's got Lloyd's tune on it, the Bassani 2-in-1, race exhaust, the air filter, everything. He got it hooked up. When I had my Challenger, I had the same thing, but instead of the Bassani, I had the Sawicki 2-in-1 Cannon. Beautiful bike. Yep. I wasn't even paying attention when that guy was cutting in. Can't ride in white stage. Sorry, Dan. I'll do better. We're heading up on the Parkway. And then I'm gonna get some little zippy, get it out of my system. Hopefully the Challenger can keep up. I know it can. I know that bike can do, with the Lloyd's tune and everything, it can do like at least $150 now. But I'm not gonna go crazy. I don't want to leave Charlie behind. funny, I just thought of something. My stepdad has always been the pack leader. He's always the one leading, and now I'm leading, and you know, it's new for me. Because, you know, I always trust his direction and his knowledge of the road and everything, because he's got like really good knowledge. So yeah, now I'm leading the pack, and he's right on my tail. He's keeping up real good. He's a great rider. Alright, New York, get the fuck out of the way. Ooh, nice. Look, wait, the Driscoll Bridge. We're on the Driscoll Bridge. What does it say? I can't even fucking see. Gorgeous bike. Who dips that bike? Is this it? Alright, we are here at Addie's. We got my step pops Charlie. We got this beautiful.
Let's have some barbecue.
Let's have some barbecue. Alright, I'll see you on the inside. Alright, so we're in Addie's. The vibe is pretty cool. It's a very small place. Oh, I look terrible again, but I got a fresh haircut this morning. I'm looking all fresh, but I'm still ugly, so whatever. So let's take a look at the menu. All right, so they have a combination of American barbecue and halal. I'm really digging it. Something already caught my eye. It's a little pricey, but that's what you get for a barbecue, you know. Oh, you. And yeah, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna eat and be merry. And we'll see you when the food gets here. So we just got cheese fries. Look at that. Oh man, it looks super cheesy. I was thinking like cheese wedge, but obviously I'm not at a basic ass place. We got some Cokes, and let's see how they taste. It's a blend of different cheeses. Absolutely delicious, really good. And the potatoes are nice and crunchy. They definitely take care of things over here. Can't wait till our entrees come out. Double chin.
You're supposed to take the
Alright, so
bone now.
we got
Look at this.
short rib sandwich. Look at that bone. And then I got the brisket cheesesteak, absolutely smothered. Some more french fries, barbecue sauce, and our cheese fries that we are devouring. So I am going to take the first bite, like I always do. One bite, everybody knows the rules. And the bread is really crispy. They definitely toasted the bread really good. It's got a nice crunch to it. The brisket, lots of flavor, nice and briskety, whatever that means. There's actually mushrooms and peppers and onions in here too. I was gonna omit the mushrooms and peppers and just have just straight up onions, cheese, and steak, but it's all good. So very good so far, and I'll let you know when I try the short rib sandwich. I'm so full. And now I am going to try the short rib sandwich. The rib. We'll try that. That's delicious. Oh man, so thick. I'm sitting like right by the door. Ugh. All right. I have meat sweats. All right, here we go. Tangy barbecue sauce. It's a sensation in your mouth. Really tasty short rib. Absolutely, like, this alone is worth coming here, especially if you live as far away as we do. Super happy with. Right, so I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna show you guys a little surprise. Stay tuned. That's it. We're done. We are throwing in the towel. There's a crap ton of food with the bread. Cheese fries, really good. We gotta eat them really quickly, otherwise the cheese just sticks. Regular fries, very good. They remind me of Five Guys. Barbecue sauce, nice. The short rib sandwich, I will say the short rib sandwich was much better than the cheesesteak, and that's not by much, but that's what they're known for, is their short rib sandwich. You pull the bone right out, nice thick meat, and place was wonderful. Place was great. Highly recommend it. Addie's Barbecue in Edison, New Jersey. And then let's get ready for the ride home, yeah? And guess what? I get to ride the Challenger. I'm so excited. And then he gets to ride the beautiful machine. All right. So let's start this bad boy up. Yeah. So we got speakers on the saddles. We got the Bassani 2-into-1. We got the Stage 1 air cleaner. The 108 Power Plus with the Lloyd's tune. And this is the Elite. So it's like the CVO if you're a Harley fanboy. And this is number 9 of 144. So it's pretty sick. Oh, it's been a while since I've been in the saddle of one of these. Oh, he's got a heel shifter too. Turn the key. He's getting used to it. I'm not gonna rev it. There's people here and I don't want to like disturb the peace.
Head east, then turn right.
Oh, he's got really cool mirrors on here. They're really small, but they're super effective. Oh, I miss being in the saddle of a Challenger. I'm super excited. It's only got 3,500 miles on it. I have as many miles almost on my BMW. Listen to that beautiful, dirty machine. let's go. I haven't ridden a Challenger in forever. Oh. I haven't ridden one in forever. Oh, I'm struggling. Here we go. So yeah, we're on the Indian Challenger Elite, by the way. And I believe this is a 2022. And it's super torquey. Such a torquey engine. It's so torquey. I gotta get used to this again. I haven't ridden a Challenger since April. Ah. Man, the exhaust is super loud on this bitch. So it's in sport mode. So the Indian Challenger, you have a rider mode. You have rain, normal, and then sport. When I had my Challenger, I always had it in sport, always, just like my stepdad. He has it in sport, and this thing, you know, for a big ass fucking bike, it hauls ass. And it's starting to rain. This bike, I feel like a boss. It's starting to rain, so I'm cooked. And it's still hot as fuck. You can see 99 degrees. I mean, it is fucking hot outside. This is so much looser than my BMW, so forgive me. But my God, you know, you have a 6-gallon tank, and he keeps his bike fucking spotless clean all the time. Oh, here we go. It's starting to rain. We're doing it. Throttle's super touchy. We are riding in the rain. Oh joy. Man, and the Challenger clutch grabs so laid out there, where the BMW grabs like right away. Obviously, if you know, you know. And that's where I bought my BMW. Right over here. Getting on 287 in the rain. We love suicide over here. And it looks to be a little bit drier over here. Oh, the backrest. I'm like leaning forward, like, you know, I don't have a backrest, but they got a backrest. Oh, I miss this riding position so much. And then this has cruise control. Oh, starting to rain again. At least he's got a raincoat on. I'm like on a Hawaiian shirt, getting my shit drenched. There's the lightning! It is fucking pouring. Of course Charlie wanted to take the fucking parkway. We could have took Route 9 south. We would have avoided all of this. Oh my God. What the fuck is he? We got another biker! Oh, fuck us alive! I wonder how my stepdad is doing. Rain kind of died down. Still wet as a motherfucker. But I wonder how he's doing. I wonder if he's okay. Because, you know, he's falling a little bit behind. But then again, I get it. You know, it's really his first time really riding my bike. Like for me, I mean, I've owned a Challenger for 4 years. And just those first couple of minutes, I had to, you know, reacclimate myself too. And then we survived the rain. And yeah. By the way, this bike in the rain is a fucking tank. This bike is so stable in the rain. I absolutely love the Indian Challenger. It's probably one of the best big bagger, king of the baggers. The wet, beautiful machine. Oh no, we got a turn coming up. Nothing worse than a turn in the rain. Just look through your turn and you'll be fine. No quick sudden throttle movements. Keep steady throttle. And just lean the bike a little bit. And here I go, slipping and sliding. Woo! That was fun. Oh, my feet are soaked. My everything is soaked. You almost what? Yeah. It's alright. Look at all the fucking steam coming out. Slipping and sliding, good times. Oh, I miss the comfort of this bike. So comfortable. I bet Charlie's so uncomfortable on that bike. I bet he's just so uncomfortable. But he looks cool. Oh, more lightning! This Indian Challenger is a fucking champ in the rain. No rain gear. Just wet feet. I hope my fucking boots don't smell moldy. Whoa! The lightning! Oh, more lightning. Oh, I hear the thunder. I better run. I better take cover. Oh, more lightning! Ah! Oh, this is the best day ever. Oh my God. Oh man. We got no choice. Whoa, the lightning! Oh my God. This Bassani sounds fucking killer. I got the whole thing on video. I got the whole thing. Me too. I was like, oh no. Oh my God. Yeah, it's still recording. Oh man, we just got home. We survived that. Holy shit. I'm at my stepfather's right now, and we are drenched. Oh, the bikes are out there. Oh my God, we survived. This is gonna be a fun episode, but I'm glad you made it all the way to this point. You know, if you like the video, you know, give me a like, follow, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends. You know, let's go on wacky adventures together, all right? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the next one.